In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum on Changelly. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to come to changelly.com, and then over here, you want to basically select the buy tab, which is going to be the second one. Now, here you will have to select your currency you want to send in. So for example, Euro. Of course, you can select whichever one you want. I'm using Euros. You can do USD, British Pound, Canadian Dollar, Australian Dollar, or whatever is on the list. So here, as I said, I'm going to go with Euro, and then you want to select how much you want to buy. So I'm going to buy 500 euros worth of Ethereum. Here, where it says you want to select what you want to buy. You want to look for ETH. And here you can see the ETH is up top. It says ETH on the Ethereum chain. I'm going to use this one. You can use whichever one you want, but this is the one I'm going to go for. Now, after you do this, you will see your most optimal offer down here. Now, you can of course view all the offers as well, so you can see how much you will have to pay or how much you're essentially getting. And there's going to be a bunch of different offers. So some of them are going to be from, for example, where you can purchase with credit cards, with Google Pay, with, for example, Visas, with Skrill. They also have bank transfers and PayPal too. So you can just select the one that suits you the best. After you do this, if you have a promo code, enter it down here. If you don't, you can just basically leave it. So here, apparently I entered in one, but I don't think it's active anymore. And after you do this, you want to click on next step. And then here you'll have to put in your destination address. Now this is going to be the address to your Ethereum wallet. I'm going to use my, over here, my Trust wallet because I have the Ethereum on here. As you can see, I'm going to click on receive, and then I'm copy the receive wallet, paste it in here. And then there we go, we're good to go. Now, if you don't have a wallet yet, of course, you can use whichever one you want, for example, from Binance, Coinbase, Phantom, whatever you want to use. But if you don't want to use that, or if you simply don't have it yet, you can just scan this QR code and create over here a wallet with the Alice Bob, which basically they direct you to. And once you do that, you can just put in your address over here of that wallet. After this, click on next step. And depending on whichever option of payment you chose, this will direct you to one of the websites. Now, for me, it basically connected me to the Visa Overt page, as you can see over here, and I will have to put in my phone number and then, of course, send the code, and after that, put in my purchase details, my card details, and I'll be able to buy it. But if you chose, for example, PayPal, you'll be directed to your PayPal account page where you have to log in and pay with that, or Skrill, or whatever you chose. So after you do this, just put in your details, pay, confirm your transaction, and then you've successfully bought yourself some ETH on Changelly. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.